The Apollo Neuroscience wearable is really my #1 wearable recommendation. I use it every day myself. In this video, I want to tell you exactly what I love about the wearable, why it works so well for so many people. I'll even throw in a few things that I'm not so crazy about, but overall, I want to give you a brief overview on really what the Apollo is, what it does, the science, and if you are looking to buy a wearable, how you can save 10% when you purchase it. Let's jump into the review. Hey, welcome back to the Holistic Nootropics YouTube channel. My name is Eric, and here we discuss using nootropics, biohacking, and nutrition to help you boost your cognition. If it's your first time on the channel, then please consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed the video, remember to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are a biohacker looking to buy really the best quality products and supplements, then head on over to holisticnootropics.com and get a free copy of my supplement buying guide. This is a fully comprehensive guide designed to walk you through the different ingredients that you want to look for in products, mostly to avoid, to find the best quality products on the market today. So in this video, I'm reviewing the Apollo Neuroscience wearable. I'm going to discuss what the Apollo is and how it works, some pros, some cons, and if you are looking to buy the Apollo Neuroscience wearable, then what you can do is just follow the link in the description below, and that's going to get you an automatic 10% discount when you purchase the Apollo wearable directly from their website. Now, I'll talk about the science here in this review, but if you want the references to all the studies, then you can head on over to my full review, which is over at holisticnootropics.com. Again, you can follow that link in the description below. So what is the Apollo Neuro wearable? The Apollo Neuro is really a simple strap that you wear it around your wrist, you can wear it around your ankle, and it delivers low frequency vibrations. And these low frequency vibrations have been clinically proven to increase heart rate variability. So without getting too technical into the details of heart rate variability, the basic idea is that heart rate variability is a measure of your parasympathetic tone. Your heartbeat does not beat monochromatically. There's actually variation between consecutive heartbeats. And the more variability that you have between consecutive heartbeats, this is a sign of more parasympathetic tone. And your parasympathetic tone you want more of because this is where your body is actually healing. This is where your body is in a state of rest and digest, a state of calm. This is where your body is able to better heal. It's better able to perform cellular functions like autophagy and clearing out metabolic waste from your body. Your immune system works better. Your stress response is lower. Your body better digests food. You also get the benefits of bone remodeling, which is really a crucial aspect of the optimal mineralization of your bones. Your metabolism works much better. Your brain works much better. Instances of depression and anxiety go down when you have a higher parasympathetic tone. And again, these are benefits that you get from a raised heart rate variability that can be induced by low frequency vibrations that come from the Apollo Neuro wearable. Now, the biggest thing that I love about the Apollo is just its convenience and how easy it is to use. When you buy it, it comes in the box, it's already all put together. You don't have to put any parts or use any screwdrivers or anything like that. You don't gotta put anything together. You just literally take it out of the box, charge it, strap it on, and use it. You can wear it on your wrist or you can wear it around your ankle. I personally like to wear it around the ankle because it's less intrusive. I find if I wear it on my wrist, it's a little hard to do things like type. But, you know, depending on what you're doing, your comfort level, a lot of people use it around the wrist and have plenty of great results. Now, the way that you control everything is through an app in your phone. And again, this is incredibly user-friendly. There are 7 programs to choose from. Each program has a different purpose. You know, for me personally, I like to use the energy and wake up mode early in the morning. I like to use the clear and focus mode when I'm doing, you know, more brain intensive work. There's also a meditation mode. There's a rest and relax mode. And then of course there's a sleep mode, and many people like to wear this while they sleep. There are reviews online of people using the Apollo wearable at night while they sleep and seeing outstanding results on their Whoop straps and Oura rings. I personally noticed a huge bump on my Oura ring HRV readings when I started using the Apollo wearable. You are actually supposed to use it several times a day to kind of train your body to get used to it. So this is not a thing that, you know, you're gonna put it on once, you're gonna wear it, and then you're just gonna start chilling out. That's not how it works. It's really a thing that you gotta use it a lot to start gaining the benefits. The more you use it, the more you train your body to become accustomed to this type of low vibrational therapy. One of the best parts about the Apollo is its durability. It's a very durable, well-constructed piece of biohacking equipment. I've used this thing for almost a year now. I haven't had any issues with it breaking or even failing. The only critique a lot of people have online is that the battery life isn't great. Personally, I found that I can get about 4 to 6 or even 7 uses out of it before it needs to be charged, and it's really easy to charge. You just plug the little cord into the back and then it's ready to go in like 2 hours. Now, if you're interested in really diving into the science of the Apollo Neuro, then you can just head on over to their website, and they have really all of the science that you need to know printed on their website. They even have specific clinical trials using the Apollo specifically that are posted over there. And again, if you want to dive more into the research on things like heart rate variability and low frequency vibration, then just follow the link to the holisticnootropics.com review that I wrote over there. And I have a lot of different references that show, again, the different clinical trials that have been used to show the benefits of these features. But I would love to know what you think about the Apollo Neuro yourself, or low frequency vibration, or heart rate variability. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Have you used the Apollo before? Are you interested in it? Let me know what you think down in the comments. And again, I'll do my best to respond to all those the best I can. If you want to learn more about things like heart rate variability, by the time this video is out, there should be a video on heart rate variability. You can just follow that link in the description below. Otherwise, start going through old Holistic Nootropics videos and see if there's anything you like there. Share this video with anyone who you think would benefit from it, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.